Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Electron TV. For today, troubleshooting experience that I want to share in this video guys is about gyro compass autopilot power failure alarm system. And before I start guys, I want to say thank you to all of my subscribers. Last time I checked, we have 908 subscribers. And now guys, we have a 914 subscribers, so we have new subscribers. Thank you guys. Okay guys, and this is a programming manual that company send it to me because I request. And we are here in the bridge. The problem is here. This DEIF alarm unit, this power failure alarm system of gyro compass autopilot. Okay, gyro compass is very marine. And here, DEIF alarm unit AL8-2. So I'm sorry for my camera. Sometimes it's hard to focus. You see, control power failure P1 and P2. Okay. Okay guys, I just wanna explain what is the problem of this alarm unit. I already removed the cover because we need to remove to set up the program. See guys, number 5, control power failure. That power failure guys is came from steering gear pump. We have 2 steering motor, that's why we have P1 and P2. Now you see the number 4 is blinking. Oh, horn reset. Okay, remove better. Now the P1 or steering gear pump 1 is on. Now I switch on. And you see the number 4 power failure is blinking. And that's not the normal. And here is the steering number 2 off. I switch on. And you see guys, the number 5 P2 red LED is off. And that's the normal because I start the steering gear pump. You see, on. That's why they give signal. Now I off again. Okay, number 5 power failure P2 is give signal because I switch off. It's correct. Okay, off. I start again. You see, the signal is gone because I start and give the power signal that they want. Here guys, 4P. Oh wait. Now it's off but did not give signal. Did not give power failure. Now I on. And now it's give signal. It's not correct compared to control power failure P2 or for the steering gear pump number 2. Okay. Now it's on but give power failure. And the correct procedure guys, if I switch off the steering gear pump, that's the time the LED light is on, because I switch off the steering gear pump. That's the time that give the power failure. And here is the diagram guys for the alarm unit. Okay, I just want to explain here what happened and how it work, this alarm unit. You see guys, alarm unit 4 and 5, that's our trouble. If you follow the line, you see we have a EF going to arrow EF. If I follow, it's going here EF. I just put a mark EF and go down here in this terminal block, grounding connection. They connected in 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and going down here 1, 2, 3, 4, and the end is going to number 29, and the other line 6 and 7, gyro failure and autopilot power failure. But I already checked, both of them is good. The supply for 24 volts here is okay. Autopilot power failure. And for gyro, I already checked also, number 54. So now we need to check for 29, number 29, and it's here. From here going to here, number 29, is you see a wait, we have K2 and K1 relay, and P1 and P2. Okay guys, power failure P1 and P2. So the signal that the alarm unit input is here, A1 and A2, to energize the K2 or the relay, and the normally cross 11 and 14 will be closed if K1 relay is energized, and if they close, the signal that the need of this alarm is okay. And for K2 also is the same. So we need the power 24 volts for the relay to give the signal, normally open and will be closed if they energize. So the powers here for A1, A2 follow here, going down from this. As you see, we have fuse 6 ampere, and the power of the fuse going here. Connection unit 1, steering gear, SGRs for steering gear. The power is from steering gear control panel. And for number 2, down from here and connected going here, jump here to another fuse, and the powers come from unit 2, steering gear again, and it's here guys, steering gear 1, and steering gear number 2. So here we need the supply from, if I shift on the steering gear pump and then the signal go. Wait, we need to open to see. Okay, let's find out. Autopilot interface unit. We need to find where's the number. Here guys, A5810 for bearing rail. Bearing rail. To check those relays. And is here guys, the K1 and K2 relay. A5810. Based in the drawing, we need to energize K1 and K2 to close the 11 and 14. Here's 11 and 14. Here is 11 and 14 guys. And K1, A1 and A2, K2, A1 and A2, yan K2 and K1. If they energize, they close the 11 and 14 contact. Okay. I already checked the relay guys and the contact. And the problem guys, the 11 and 14 for K1, if they energize, they become open. But based in the drawing, if they energize, it's become close. If they energize K1, 11 and 14 normally open, become close. We try to check na. Steering gear, start, on. And K1 is energized. You see the green light? Now it's energized. If they energize, supposedly this contact is close and did not give power failure. On for number 2. Okay. You see guys, we have power. So the power is okay. Switch off for K1. Okay, the green light is off. Switch off for number 2. Okay, it's working. You see. But even I remove this relay, the contact for 11 and 14 going to the alarm unit is still close. Oh, yes, close. Even if I switch off. Normally, it's become open because we don't have power. And give alarm control power failure, P1. That's why I think it's have problem the alarm unit. They give a stuck signal or stuck connection. That's why I request the company for the manual of the alarm unit. Okay guys, here is the manual for DEP AL8-2. Here is the connection. We have input. Newly open input. Okay. So based on the drawing, if they open, they give alarm. If they close, and alarm is gone. And the problem, guys, even we switch off the steering gear pump, the signal is still in closed position. And if we switch on, it's become open, so it's not correct. How to program the individual function. Press program button slightly countersunk. Okay. Do not use pencil, the lid may break. Okay. I press the program here, PRG. Okay. The next is, after having pressed the PRG push button, the LED below the push button will be green. Okay. Delay off alarm. Power on. Base here. Switch off. The delay power alarm switch off. Indicate channel may not be programmed. When pressing in the channel selector, channel select, the LED for channel 1 input is switched off and LED for channel 2 input is lit green. Okay, here. When we press channel select, okay, the green light is moving. And now the problem is number 4, control power failure P1. So we try to. First step of the programming is thus to select input channel when the requested input channel is indicated. The relevant LED is lit green. The function select push button is pressed. Note, the LED for the selected input channel will continue being lit green throughout the complete programming procedure for the relevant channel. Function select points to the individually programmable function is in the following order. Normally close and normally open for number 1. So that's the thing that we need to program. And the other, it's now. It's the normally close and normally open contact. Press function select. As you see, guys, 10 and 20, you see the NO and NC. If I press the function select, the green light from NO going to the NC and NO to NC, the green light's moving. The green is NO. If you need NO in the input number 4, we need NO. Okay. Okay, here, guys. Alarm open and close signal contact. Normally open and normally close light indicate actual function as follow. Green, normally open function, and red, normally close alarm on close signal. What we need is when the normally open input received, the alarm is on. And if the normally open contact close, the alarm is off. And now I think it's okay. This one, normally open and normally close, alarm open, signal contact. After that, when the indication LED show request function, this is into the program memory, pressing the enter. Here, enter. So we need to enter, guys. After you set, pressing enter result in the next function in order to it being automatically pointed to out selection of output relay. So I press enter, guys. And now we go to output A and B. You see the LED light is on. And wait, selection of output relay, outputs A and B, output A, output B. I think there's nothing to do with this because we don't have problem with the outputs. Okay, after we set the program, guys, we need to press the program twice to put back in normal. Now you see we have a light signal on. Let's check if it's good now. Steering gear 1 and 2, power failure because it's off now. Now I switch on and the alarm signal is off. You see the number 4 LED light is off because it's on. I switch off. Normal is give signal, power failure if I switch off. You see, guys, now I think it's working good. Horn reset and reset here. Try to reset to stop the blinking. Here, reset. And the LED light is steady now. We try for number 2. Now it's off. Give control power failure. I switch on. And the signal for alarm is gone. Okay. Now number 4, steering gear. I switch on. And let's see if the alarm signal is gone. On. Okay. The alarm is gone. Lamp test. Okay, now it's gone. I think it's working and problem is solved. Let's try again. I off and normal give power failure. Wait a second. Okay, give power failure because it was off. Try to reset the alarm to steady the red LED and I switch off the other one. Now it's off. Wait a second. Okay, now it's give alarm signal, control power failure. Reset to stop the alarm. Okay. Off, control power failure. It's good, guys. Problem solved. Thank you for this programming manual. Okay, guys. Done for today. I hope you learned something in this video. And don't forget to click subscribe and like my video. Thank you for watching, guys.